time for your main event.
Tonight's show is an interactive experience. Audience participation is key to a great show. It only works with you.
Rest assured you'll be safe at all times and treated with the utmost of respect.
Will you be tonight's star of the show? With over 25 years of mesmerizing and hypnotizing minds all around the world, this man is an award-winning, TED Talk-giving master of mind-bending.
He's not just a hypnotist, he's a cult of personality.
Put your hands together and make some noise. This is Hypnopunk.